Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you in good condition. Okay, today we are going to look more into this topic that is multiplication, but we are still in the range of basic facts. Build multiplication sentence. Membina ayat matematik darab. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, what is the boy said? I arrange these mooncakes in 2 rows. Each row has 4 mooncakes. Maksudnya, saya susun kuih bulan ini dalam 2 baris. Each row has 4 mooncakes. Setiap baris ada 4 kuih bulan. Okay, what does he means? Apa maksudnya? Okay, one row ini adalah satu baris. Rows maksudnya baris. Satu baris, one row, 2 rows. Ini adalah baris yang kedua. Jadi, dia telah susun kuih bulan itu kepada 2 baris into 2 rows. So, macam mana nak buat ayat matematik darab? How to build the number sentence for this picture? So, we begin with the number of rows. 2 times 4. 2 times 4. Mula dengan bilangan baris. 2 darab 4 sama dengan 8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Okay, this is the number sentence for the first picture. Okay, what about the second one? Look at the girl said, I arrange the mooncakes in 4 rows. Each row has 2 mooncakes. Saya susun kuih bulan kepada 4 baris. Setiap baris ada 2 kuih bulan. Okay, let's count how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 rows. Ada 4 baris. So what is the number sentence? We must start with 4. Kita mula dengan 4. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. 4 means 4 rows. 2 means 2 objects in 1 row. 2 objek dalam setiap baris. Okay, then equal to 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, let's look at this number sentence. This is the product. Product adalah hasil darab. Okay, the product for this one is also 8. Dua-dua hasil darabnya 8. So the product are the same. Okay, bila dia sama, that means 2 times 4 is the same as 4 times 2. 2 darab 4 adalah sama dengan 4 darab 2. Okay, next example. Look at this picture. Okay, the picture of apples. Can you tell me what is the number of rows? Berapakah bilangan baris untuk apple ini? Baris ni adalah susunan secara melintang. Horizontal arrangement. Ya, susunan melintang. Okay, like this. Ini adalah secara melintang. So, this is 1 row. Okay. Then we have the second row. 2 rows. 1 row. 2 rows. So, kita ada 2 baris. We have 2 rows of objects. So, we have to write the number 2 in front. 2. Okay. 2 times 2 darab apa? Okay. The next number should be the number of objects in one row. Bilangan objek untuk satu baris. How many objects can you tell me? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 objects in one row. So 2 times the next number should be 3. 2 times 3 equal to, okay, all together, berapakah jumlah semua objek? Semuanya ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we get the total of the objects are 6. Okay, 2 times 3 is equal to 6 is the number sentence for the first picture. Ya, gambar pertama ni adalah 2 darab 3 sama dengan 6. Ya, kita letak the number of row di depan. 2 di depan. Ya, ingat. Okay, next. Okay, this one. This one arrangement dia lain. Ya, susunan dia lain. Okay, let's begin with the number of row. Kita bilang row dulu. Berapa row? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Okay. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. So we have 3 rows in this picture. So we have to write 3 first. Yeah, 3 must be in front. 3 times what? 3 times. What is the number of object in one row? Satu row berapa objek? 1, 2. 2 objects. So we write 2 in the next box. Okay, now what is the total number of objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 objects altogether. Okay, write 6 as the equal to 6. Okay, 3 times 2 is equal to 6 is the number sentence for this picture. Okay, now let's look at the product. Ya, product. Ini adalah produk. Hasil darab. Sama kan? 6. Ini pun 6. So, when the product is the same, 6, 6, we can say number sentence for both picture is the same. We can say 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. 2 darab 3 sama dengan 3 darab 2 kerana hasil darabnya sama iaitu 6. Okay, next example. Okay, for this one, as you can see, 3 rows. Okay, ada 3 baris. So we write 3 first. 3 dekat depan. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 3 darab 4 sama dengan 12. For the first picture. Okay, for the second picture, we have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. So we write 4 in front. Letak 4 di depan. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Okay, tengok ya. Kedua-dua ayat matematik ni adalah susunannya tidak sama ya. The first one is 3 times 4. But the second one is 4 times 3. But the product, okay, the product hasil darabnya is the same. Darabnya adalah sama. The products are the same. 12 and 12. So we can say that 3 times 4 is equal to 4 times 3. Yeah? 3 times 4 is equal to 4 times 3. Okey, walaupun kedudukan nombornya adalah tidak sama, 3 times 4 dan satu lagi 4 times 3. But when the product is the same, we can say that 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3. Walaupun kedudukan nombornya adalah tidak sama, ya. Okey. Okay, now let's answer this question. Calculate the number of buttons in each group. Okay, look at the first picture. Tengok gambar yang pertama ni. Okay, the first picture. We have how many groups? Do you still remember? Ingat lagi tak? How many groups from the picture? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. Okay, 4 groups of how many buttons? Berapa butang untuk satu kumpulan? Sehelai baju, berapa butang? Okay, look at the picture yang besar dekat sini. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ada 5 buttons in one group. So, we get the number sentence. Okay, mula-mula sekali, the repeated addition sentence dulu. Ya, penambahan berulang dulu. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to, semua sekali ada berapa button? Ada 20. Ya, kalau kita kira semua sekali ada 20 buttons. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 20. Okay. What about the multiplication sentence? Hasil darabnya adalah 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Okay, kenapa mula daripada 4? Yes, because the number of groups is 4, ya. Kumpulannya adalah 4, jadi kena start dengan 4 dulu, ya. Okay, next picture. How many groups? 5. 5 groups, ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 4. Maksudnya setiap kumpulan ada 4 buttons. 4 buttons in one group. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to, kalau kamu kira semua button, semua butang tu, we will get 20 also. 20 juga, ya. And what about the multiplication sentence? 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So, bila the products are the same, 4 times 5 is equal to 20 and 5 times 4 is also equal to 20, then we can say 4 times 5 is equal to 5 times 4. Okay, now let's answer. Complete the number sentences. Look at question A first. Tengok A dulu, ya. Okay, A. What groups of what? How many groups? Yes, we have 2 groups. So, we write 2 groups of... Okay, one group consists of how many objects? Satu kumpulan berapa objek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 2 groups of 5. Okay, now, what about the number sentences of repeated addition? What plus what? Okay, berapa tambah berapa? Yes, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now what about the multiplication sentence? Ayat matematik darabnya adalah start dengan bilangan kumpulan dulu. How many groups? 2 groups. So the multiplication sentence is 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Now look at question B. Can you tell me how many groups? Yes, we have 5 groups. 5 groups of how many objects in one group? Berapa objek satu kumpulan? Yes, we have only 2 objects. So 5 groups of 2. Okay, what about the repeated addition sentence? Yes, we write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Yeah, 5 times, 5 kali is equal to 10. Okay, what about the multiplication sentence? We must begin with the number of group. Bilangan kumpulan dulu. So we start from 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay, again, kita nampak lagi the products are the same. Okay, 2 times 5 is equal to 10 and 5 times 2 is also 10. So we can say what? 2 times 5 as the same as 5 times 2. Okay, now let's look at how to form number sentence involving the number lines. Ya, macam mana kita nak bina ayat matematik melibatkan garis nombor. Ya, ini kita panggil garis nombor. Okay, look at the first picture. Okay, tengok gambar yang pertama yang ada 4 dan 8 tu. 0, 4 dan 8. Okay, how to form the number sentence for multiplication? For this case, we have to count the number of jumps first. Bilangan lompatan dia dulu. Ataupun bilangan anak panahnya dulu. This is the arrow. Anak panah. Ataupun lompatan. 1 jump. 2 jumps. 1, 2. 2 kali lompat. 2 anak panah. So we must start from 2. 2 times 2 darab berapa? Okey. Nombor seterusnya menunjukkan jarak lompatan tu. Maksud jarak lompatan, the distance of the jumps. Jarak lompatan from 0 to 4. From 0 to 4. Berapa nilainya? Okey, kita kira kat sini pun boleh. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maksudnya ada 4 jarak dia. So, 2 times 4. Okay. Is equal to, the last number here is 8. So, the number sentence is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Okay, what about the next picture? Gambar yang kedua, kita tengok gambar kedua. As usual, we must start with the number of jumps. Bilangan lompatan dia dulu. Ataupun bilangan anak panahnya dulu. Let's count. Kita kira sama-sama. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps. So, kita tulis 4 dulu. 4 times jarak satu lompatan berapa? 0 to 2. From 0 to 2, we have 1, 2. 2 to 0 is also 2 juga. From 4 to 6 also 2. 6 to 8 also 2. So semuanya jaraknya satu lompatan 2, 2, 2, 2. So 4 times 2 is equal to the final destination kat sini yang hujung sekali shows the number 8. So we write the answer as 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, now let's look at the products. The products are the same, 8 dan 8. So we can say 2 times 4 is equal to 4 times 2. 2 darab 4 sama juga dengan 4 darab 2. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.